Okay, this is a Canon 50mm f1.8 that we have. It's a FD mounted lens. I'll show you the insides. Not sure why the thing is. Let me try to make it wide open. Okay, this Canon F1 is not included. Yeah, just show you just gonna show you this lens. Okay, so you can see that the blades, they work. Okay. But by default, somehow it goes to wide open. So let me show you the quality of the lens itself lah. So this is the glass, and this is the back side. Yeah, so that's it. The focusing moves smoothly. Everything seems okay. Thanks.